Hey y'all, it's Tali and welcome to today's vlog. I have not vlogged in a minute, but I'm super excited to because this week we are going to the beach and I'm spending a beach weekend with Ethan's family. We are actually celebrating his mom's birthday and I'm super excited for all the fun things we have planned and to just go to the beach and relax and just have a week. Although while I'm here on this beach weekend, I do have a paper to write, so you will be seeing me write a paper this week. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Tali and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, make sure to follow me on all social medias, here on the screen, down in the description below. Right now we are currently waiting for Ethan. He's taking a test and as soon as he comes back, we're gonna head off. I have my Starbies, I have all my stuff packed, and I know you guys are probably wondering about my stuff and like my bags and everything, which I will show you guys that when we get there because I know you guys like to see it, I like to see it, so don't worry, I definitely will show you guys that. But now we're just waiting to go. Alright guys, we have made it. We are here at the beach house. Now, if some of you guys might remember, this room does look a little familiar. If you guys remember, this is the same beach house that I stayed at for prom. I have my whole prom vlog here on my channel, and I haven't been here since that vlog. And let me just say, prom was so fun. I can't thank Ethan's family and Ethan enough for prom. That was like one of the most magical nights of my life. As you guys know, I do online school, so I didn't have a prom, or I wasn't supposed to have a prom. But anyways, I'm back here again, and we're back in the room, and we're just settling in, and I'm gonna go write my paper. So, luggage situation, I have the Stony Clover Lane X Left Shack Fancy Tote, and this has like all my school stuff, my laptop, camera bag, pens, pencils, all the stuff like I need handy with me, and then I just put my purse on top of it. And in case you guys wanted to see some of the stuff I keep in my tote, this is my laptop. Ethan got me this case. I love it. This perfect shade of pink. Have my planner. This is pens and pencils. This is actually what a pencil case should be used for. I also put, see, it fits a lot. I also put a claw clip in there. I love flat pouches for my charger, so I specifically got this one with the little charger patch. I love the flat pouches because they hold so much. And then this little mini here is actually what I store my camera in. I always put my camera in this mini and it fits perfectly in this size. And then here is my suitcase, same one I always use, the Stony Clover Lane X Target collab suitcase. It's in here and all my clothes are in here, and I had to leave the extender open because I put 2 pairs of shoes in here and it just would not close. I don't know why, but I always get so cold, but just throw in a little jacket. Also showing my little beach outfit. Just wearing this seaside shirt with these little sea sucker shorts. I thought it was good for the occasion. Okay, so here's my drawer. So I have all my makeup in this open top. My small pouch, this is like my favorite bag ever. I was gonna put this in a large, all my little like bigger toiletries, but I didn't have enough room in my suitcase. This bag right here just has medicine in it. This is actually a pencil case that I use. It's really good and actually holds a lot. You can see it expands pretty well. This bag here is for the beach, has all my sunscreen stuff, and then here has all my jewelry. I just put gems on it in the Love Shack letters. In this drawer, I just have some of my clothes and one of my packing cubes. I only brought 1 cube. And here's the rest of the stuff. I have my 2 other pairs of shoes, just my suitcase underneath it. That's my little travel towel for the beach, and then here's my little beach bag. I brought the little bow one. I love this beach bag so much, or just weekender. It's just so cute. I love, you guys know how much I'm obsessed with this bow pattern. Okay guys, for anyone who's curious, I'm writing in annotated bib, so, and I had to do a reflection essay. So I wrote the reflection essay 500 words, and I literally have 500 words exact. And now I have all my sources. Now I just need to annotate them, so I gotta like write a little bit about them and like how they're gonna help my bigger paper. I'm working towards a huge research paper. Also I want to share, this is the MacBook Air. It's one of the older versions. I don't know exactly which one, but I wanted to share, as you guys saw for Christmas, I got the big iMac, the desktop, and I absolutely adore the iMac. I adore that desktop. It's so good. I can see everything, and it's so good for editing, like editing my videos. And I mean, I can totally use this computer, like, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it, but it's totally different when you're writing a paper, because when you're writing a paper, or like me specifically, when I write a paper, I have, like, so many tabs, like, all on the sides, like, so I can, like, reference them, like, back and forth, and I can barely fit 2 freaking tabs next to each other on this, on the laptop, but it's fine, like, it's not an issue at all. I was just sharing that. But comment down below if you guys prefer a laptop, or if you prefer a desktop. I prefer a desktop, but I can use a laptop because I gotta get my work done. Good morning, guys. Me and Ethan are walking over to the beach right now. It's super sunny outside. It's nice and bright. Yesterday it was super cloudy, like you could tell, and like the lighting was just like terrible. But anyways, I'm heading over to the beach. Here's my little beachy fit. It's actually so hot. It's been like kind of cold. We had like a cold front, and now it's like hot. So, but it feels really nice. It's not too hot yet, but
the weather's weird here.
Yeah, but anyways, so we're heading over to the beach right now, but yeah. Like, Ethan, show my bag. Like,
this is her bag.
Like, I got my little tote, my little weekender from Love Shack Fancy, and then the other thing. Show the other thing. And then, like, it's my Target Stony Clover Lane towel. Look, it matches my shirt. Alright, so I just got back from the beach, and we just had lunch, and we got like freshened up and cleaned up, and now we're getting ready to go shopping. My favorite thing to do, of course. But we're gonna take pictures. So this is my little picture outfit. I'm wearing this super cute little dress. I actually got this a year or 2 ago from Target. It was one of like the collaborations they did, and I never worn it, so I thought I'd bring it this weekend. So I'm just wearing this little dress, really cute. It has a little tie in the front, little buttons and everything. Have it just with some like silver jewelry. I have like this bangle, my rings. Do not mind my nails. I'm just wearing my little tea necklace, little earrings. I freshened up my makeup a little bit, and then I'm also just wearing these Zara little sandals. Hey guys, so that was our little beach weekend. The last day we were there, which was yesterday, whenever we were leaving the beach house officially, I did not vlog or film at all that day because we didn't really do much, and for some reason, everywhere we went, like, I just fell asleep. Like, I don't know what the issue was, but I was just so tired every day, or that day, and I just was asleep. But anyways, last night we had dinner, and now we are back here at Ethan's house, and this is my last day here. I'm leaving today back to my house, but it's been such a fun weekend, and I have a lot of school I need to do, but it was a great weekend. It was great to get away for a little bit and just have some fun at the beach, because I don't really go that often, because I don't really live near it anymore, and it was just really nice to spend the weekend and have fun and get away. So here's all my stuff ready to go. Also, this is one of the things I found thrifting by the beaches. I found this super cute little sun hat with this little pink bow. Tell me that's not so cute. I'm obsessed with it. But yeah, and funny story about my packing situation. You guys know I love to use all my little pouches, all my little bags to pack and, you know, be super organized. Well, apparently I think I left one at the beach house. It is nowhere to be found here in my stuff, which is super odd. It's just a little Stony Clover pencil case with all my little medicines and stuff, but so lucky it wasn't one of the like bigger bags. But yeah, I left it, and which is really odd because I usually don't leave anything, and I'm very organized about it, and I checked every single drawer before we left, and there was nothing in them, so I don't know where it wound up, but I need to retrieve that sometime soon. So today, since it's my last day here before I head home, Ethan has been really wanting me to take me to get my nails done, which is very sweet of him. I don't have my nails done, and I just like having my nails done. It's just, I feel so much better when they're done, so that's really sweet of Ethan to take me. So we're gonna do that first, and then we're gonna hit some other stores on the way home, and then I gotta get home because I have class.
Ethan's here in the vlog now. Just wanted to say that I've been in the car waiting for my mom and Tali to finish thrift shopping for a good 45 minutes now at this point. And this is only the second place they've gone to. It's hot in here. I'm bored. My phone's gonna die. She's walking away. She's scratching her head. Yay! Finally.
Alright guys, so I'm not gonna lie, you guys saw in the vlog that Ethan took me to get my nails done, and then after we went thrift shopping, and I also said I had to go home because I had class that day, and I actually literally didn't even make it to class or like make it to my house to do class. I had to join it on my phone, so like while we were driving home, I literally was in class, but I've been back home for a couple days now, and I just been so busy with school and just other things and like other events that I've had to do. You guys know I hate unpacking, and I have not unpacked from that trip, so I'm gonna show you guys. My suitcase is still here, just lying. I had opened it because I needed like some things in it, like, you know, like while I was here, I needed like some of my clothes and some of like my toiletries. But for the most part, it's just been sitting here in my room. So I finally have time to unpack it. I'm also going to finish cleaning up the rest of my room because it is such a disaster. I'm not sure if I mentioned it in this vlog, but I haven't switched my winter clothes out from my closet. It's still winter, and I'm trying to change it to summer, which is the issue because when I left, I only had winter clothes out. So the day of, I had to pull all of my summer clothes out, and they're just like all over the floor in my room because I had to find something because I didn't want to wear like sweaters and like jeans to the beach, you know, and whatnot. So anyways, I am back home and I'm ready to clean this room, unpack, and get back into the swing of things. I hope you all enjoyed this beach vlog. It was so nice to get away and just relax for a little bit. And I also want to say thank you again to Ethan and his family for inviting me and letting me stay there and whatnot. And it was such a fun time, and it was a really fun weekend. Again, my name is Tali, and thank you so much for stopping by at my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, make sure to follow me on all social medias, here on the screen, down in the description below. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. I love you all so much, and I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, fantastic, amazing, gorgeous, fabulous day.